Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ke Saint Dominic Savio Higher Secondary School, Maukhar Shillong, aka arpau tarik mentau benai nok pra, arjar kat pra. Kelelek buram kerpang, ye ubabu Joseph J. Makdo, ubalong uno hikai ubala syakri, lalai pupras nam kenti, hakani ke skol, nadu usnam, kat kendai spa nyop kendai. Lasdang ye kini ke jerake da ke jingkenya mas bakun, bala penbenta, the Reverend Father Jamaris Shella, ubalong Assistant Parish Priest, jong ke Saint Joseph Church Maukhar Parish, pad hakaju kopor, Principal, jong ke Saint Dominic Savio Higher Secondary School. Lapan sangkon ni kejing lek buram yu babu Joseph J. Makdo de kijing ruai bat jing syat na ki kena skol bat kejing keren na kini hikai bat no Reverend Father Joseph KSM ubalong Parish Priest jong ke Saint Joseph Church Maukhar Parish bat na Sister S. Das ibalong ke Vice Principal jong ke ni ke skol. Ya babu Joseph J. Makdo lakha kasnong Umsder kabaran hapo Assam Block 2 jong ke Karbi Anglong District bat ulah he lasan hakasnong Terso hapo Ribhoi District. Ubabu Joseph ya menta ulong unong tray balang haka balang jong ka Maulan Ray par unong pet ya ka kenhon balang ren jong ka Nong Thamai Parish hadu menta mene nalor ka kam hikai skol babu Joseph J. Makdo ula sakri ru kum sekretari jong ka snong Maulan Ray la san snam kanthi bat kum urang ba dong ka klik snong la pras nam kanthi bat kum chairman jong ka Meghalaya Apex Handloom and Handicraft Federation Limited la pras nam kanthi menta.
Kelaboy hakatansi hakaba kaskul ringka kasnom lathau iba tuan iba kan kret yang tansi pandai kurang yang kau nongkai pagparo kikini pa iba hiya kasem iba tuan jamata kasnom ina yang warna Shimenta ha kata jinne burong ya udah unong hikai. Wagi kena nado dari Jepang, wagi kena nado dari France. Nama kami hikai mulai air jinang bisa ini kena sising resmi di kuat di mana burong ya uni hikai hang resmi di mentah minyoi umno bagi kena dari Jepang. Iwan makai kure, makai burung ya uni hikai. Jepang mga bilay ay burong yung niyo bubu yung niyo higay lagi jinang jinsa di mentasi kina dari France ikwa kan ay burong ikwa ay kan kublay ang kublay sibun babu ya kan jin ay jinang jinsa jempi ya kan burong but daki sol jinwai but bentak jinsa jempi man ay burong yung niyo higay.
life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is what difference we have made to the lives of others that will determine the significance of the life we live. Unquote. Nelson Mandela. Today, the 19th of December 2018 will be remembered in the history of St. Dominic Savio's Higher Secondary School as the day that we bade farewell to one of its valued members, namely Sir Joseph J. Macdor, whom we all knew of as Babu Joseph. We may not be that intimately acquainted with him, but all of us in the school are aware of the tremendous contribution he had rendered to the school and its students since the year of his joining in 1979. Sir, official records of the school confirmed that you had joined the school way back in the year 1979 as an office assistant. But a year later, specifically the 1st of July 1980, the school management, in its wisdom, saw fit to appoint you as an assistant teacher, which, of course, you had proven yourself to be over the years. But most remarkable of all, you were further invested with the status of a head teacher of the said section in the same year itself. An unheard of case, indeed, the rarest of the rare. No doubt, this swift ascendancy in your professional front was all due to your exceptional leadership ability, which we had seen and experienced in our relationship with you. Quiet and unpretentious in manners, always content to stay in the background and let others be in the limelight, yet despite it all never failing to be supportive in times of need. Your love for our school and your attachment to it was clearly evident from the fact that you left your former place of employment in Little Flower School, Malki, to come and serve at our school, St. Dominic High School, Maukam. Sir, to simply say that we would miss you would be an understatement. After all, there is no way that one can easily fill up the space, the emptiness, the void left by the departure of an intrinsic member of one's family. And truly, we here at the school are like one big family. Not only will your absence be felt, but there will be times when your expertise and experience as a teacher, as a colleague, as a friend will be needed. Countless students have been fortunate to have been educated and groomed by you, and we are sure that those students will remember you with fond memories, because no one ever forgets the person who had influenced and shaped one's life. In your section, particularly, you were the steadying presence and the voice of reason that colleagues turned to in moments of mental dilemma. Sir, as you move ahead to experience more of what your life has in store of you, we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. We know that you are a person who is not content to rest on your laurels, and maybe you already have some grand plan lined up for your future. So whatever they are, may the Almighty Father in heaven grant you sound health of body and mind so that you can achieve what you have set out to do. Likewise, our best wishes go to your family for supporting you in your decision to dedicate your life to the teaching profession, especially at a time when job offers were plenty and you could have picked of the most lucrative career. Once again, with heartfelt gratitude, we say thank you to you on behalf of everyone in the school, the MC member, the staffs, and the students of St. Dominic Savio's Higher Secondary School.
Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate of appreciation is awarded to Mr. Joseph J. Macdor for his wholehearted dedication and valuable service that he has rendered to our school from 1981 to 2018. His contribution is deeply felt and will be nurtured throughout the years. The principal, vice principal, staff, students, and the managing committee of the school express a deep sense of gratitude for all the contribution rendered by him in the overall development of education. We sincerely pray for his happiness and well-being in life. Father J. Shilla, Principal, dated Shillong, the 20th December 2018.
J.J. Magda, and also the presentation from the part of the Social Committee. Well, I can barely see and I barely know.
Ini senam kita niat dia. Ngasih pun song sikade ya baru kita kena penlong penman yang aku makan orang. Do Frabloni, Bijil Albera, Jacob, Francis Carolang, and Cleophas Macquarie Barbley, Arabia Sawan, Robert Majal. If there Robert, bayar makan mausa, if there clear, no? But they may have to go. But hakapon election. Yang bebu dia. Maka tak jika beri, muhunnya tanda bang tomlonikai sebab kerja kiki baru. Dari kampung kota. Hadir dalam collection, we friend on piwat puslai. Bu jidua, blame selam utility. Hadir dalam kajian, hadir dalam collection ru, kita membaca macam komiti, bagi pada hajakat kita tunggu perkenikai, ki tunggu yang maka dah ayo bantuan mentar siang ni denamar kajing sepuluh jing bah jom kibano bat kawai ketutin biom babu hakajing ini cuma inok shua ya ke politics kampai kapor siang mereka mereka pendapat mereka kumulung ikan bat hakajul kapor pin imsi bagian trade lagi kampala. Akan mau apa kita? Bat ngabat lu, bat nadu terpor, ngamkuat asal keputus, ngaimsi hakamikan, bat lu hak kampala. Kau berubah malam, ngetrade, kau mempelang tu KBB ngetrade. Ngapain kemana dia? Hakabi dia, kaji musim banejan bat blay. Teman, dia nak kata beli buku kui ke kesen. Ngamla pandan kita, ngamla pan haram, dia nak mari cik ke kui cukup. Bagi kui nyawun, kian jadi kecat. Ikimi kui kadu mentah kata kebat nyawu tam sedih kata idang lah kumni. Dia nak mari cik ke kui cukup boleh ke kesen. Ayu, bak kebakan tu ngasih menong kuat macam kapor. Ya pibang narok kibar mereka ini, kempet ngaku beri, ngamlang bukit, biar, lesi ngapan susi pi, kalau menong ketin, kalau menong kekan, kalau menong kekan, aku keburong, lani akan ada macam itu, ngapan paham pi, arti aja, forgive and forget, semua maafkan. kan mau tăng cái gì của hắn các bạn nhìn đấy các bạn nhìn train các bạn nhìn các bạn nhìn dan lang apor school kan penkemen ni pi ban penkemen ru yang ban boleh ku haka ju kapor na kalian jang kaman sini tempat father ni tempat pi bidan kat tau na mentala yang saya bidan kat ni pi ba pikiran iyo berselam kat tapi ndai ko mo brevi ko mo nang kaya lesen ban mang pi hakikat juga na ka jing wan kan lesen kalam nong kontrol dia na kanu bunu betak nda don kanu ba ngapa susi ya kami sebenarnya pi subhama ya to ublay unelam timti ngada di sekiman sekali ke jingdam lang ju fran joseph purba akan ekspor tempat ke jirwa ju fi fada kadi lam timti bagi si bagi por wangi sekiman ngaru ngasih wana akan ekspor ya lam timti ngadan kam sibun kijing aji mo jumpi kati kamun ti kadiam jumpi nama ngamla banlen bat kata kade ka vision bat commission ban haban pindem how araja stan miseng ke school bat kata ke school ka ya kata trabun pipit balang ha ini bentai bertam ke bang kum ha kita bertam ro nganu pat ke kata ka bat penyak ke school tak hadu bang nayo beri please ke wipa ka school ka ya cepat dengan kan kejaran jumpi father klepet ngan sependik epi ngan panjara epi kinu ikai tu babon kinu ikai ngan semua sekadanya pilara kini isnam berani banyak interview kinu ikai banyak kan bagi berpen kinu ikai kini baru kidegi tiga mon ketika dia jumpi blame ku ikai kesam jumpi blame ku lang epi paro nama kaji sebun kaji ha ka jumpi ha pada ibadah commission nama kaji sumpru ha kaji siam jangan man uwe problem dan lagi jauh besar, lagi jauh kapal, lagi jauh tenang. Henry ide benda, ka vision, bat commission man benda. Man uwe problem, man uwe problem. Dia kentang ya wai, dia pigo kena iya, kena. Lada pigwa perkiu, shau mau jam ke jinjam, pihak patristam. Waktu mesti, what I learn, berkata jinduk, berkata jibit kan, pensak dia lebih. Dari kecil trace tahu lebih, belai tip, bat wira, wii, mereka mon lebih. Kau belum fikir semacam perang, wira, mana ada, belai wira, yang itu wira, pun siang kota. Nak kalian cengi pernikahan ini, ngaruh, ada misbah. Ban hapan pendek, ban kata kelong, aman, ban tray, kan no kenu kakang, kan no kakang, kalau menang iya, kalau menang sen, kalau menang skul, ngende ban komplain, kan tray penyanggun, kan ini kakang, kebahagiaan pendek, ban kata kelong, punctuality, kebiasaan, ban discipline, ban personality, hakabah, kum ubri. Kum ini kan menyiapkan pak, batak ini kan selatan macam.
One day,
kai ke bala syakri kan ke school bor snan nadu snan kat kendai spa nyok ba hadu mencak asni ha ke ba pun ke school hi hai kan ke farwal ka ke school juga hagan ke school ngasngo ba ngabenun banino ke school ha ke kaliang namar ke school bor snan pada ke kaliang ngasngo ba kalau ke ba kemen nam ta juga namar kas ni kan buka nilek iwan ke school kan ne bat ke puram ke nam ke school ke ini ha ka jini trace tom jami ki nong kai bat ispa bat ki hajar mu ki kena yo pandi ke umpli jenang ci start na ke school ha ka bat ki nong kai yo ban prang ki na ka ban ta ke jenang ci start kalau we ke shal si dengar ki bon snap ala syakri wat bone ki kena bila yo kita like nak ke school kita like la ban syakri aku bor ka mangala ban ai ha kan guys sini kalau na ka benta ki kena school kim dei ban do cingkremen la kalong ha kan do belum benta la kalian ka do la kalong ka jing bi na kalian ha ka jing jar rei ki badon ka men sim ka bat prang ban kiu chmat yai ne ki sa kat bat ka ji i ban syakri lai dak ji duai kin long kin nan job ma blai wirap ya itu wirap na ka menta jong ni ki pran bakusan tam kalau ba ni de ban de ka kamram jini kum kin nong hikai ha ka ba de hok ki kamram ban poi sekolah por babiang ban ya ka kom ka bade ya ki kam ki dok bat kham tam ne akan dek nong pak Islam i ko chekri ki na namar ka di kamram ka chok ki nong ikai ki bat i ka por kan tiap i ka por bat minot yo chong ka bor ki wi shku chekra ki me ki di sngau jina kan basni ba ma kwa ai ki bor sha ki permikan ka